there's a TV outside.
Yeah. Change the channel.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And they're off.
Coming up.
Just as a caution, you guys up here are all in the splash zone. These pins are filling with water. Are you caution? Caution, caution. Already have one racer down. The Barbie cart. Are they able to go? Or are they going to? We're still under caution, guys. Ready to push the Barbie cart off the track? All right, get ready to go back to green. And we're back in a full speed lap here. Again, we're going to 30 laps today. 30 laps. Average lap time is running about the 19 to 20 second mark.
Natural law just caused multiple accidents. Don't lap down the pit lane, mate.
That was a close corner here, guys. Make sure you vote for your favorite part on the Podium.
Yeah. It makes sense to me.
Those points do count an extra total race points for the day. All right, on the count of 3, everyone yell out your favorite part. 1, 2, 3. See, that worked perfectly. I couldn't tell which one you were yelling for. Got a kid that's first time driver. She just got her driver's license yesterday. Now she's driving a race car. Except that thing is now pushed back a little bit. There's a big protruding into a racetrack. That'll be fun if somebody hits it. You guys are now in the splash zone, officially. Dr. Quinn at one point had twist tires on the back, sliding all around the track. Maybe you go bring them out for another race later on. That was fun. Roland Land, Lazy GT, Ecto 1, Drifting Monster, Natural Law, Gecko Kart.
Put him in the wall!
Tokyo Drift, Batmobile. Everyone's still in the race doing very well. Wonder what happens to Barbie. Bumblebee was also back in the pit. Looks like they're attempting to repair whatever the challenge was.
It's way too fast and enforces whoever is
They do know that all of these points matter and that every lap made. Come on. The top 3 racers right now are Gary, Raphael, and Ecto 1. It looks like Bumblebeamer is about to come out of the pits. They're going to make a quick run and rejoin the pack here. If you'll notice, the Canadian cars are up on 2 wheels in each corner.
Come on, Annabelle!
Whoa, under caution. Back under caution. Are we under caution? No, we're good. We're good. Looks like the lazy Gecko cart. Kind of white one that there's something some damage. And I believe cars are supposed to stand on their ends, but I believe they're getting it fixed. Bumblebee are back out after applying more duct tape. Duct tape holds the world together. And as they hold things in place. Our top three are still Gary, Raphael, and Ecto 1.
Oh, yeah,
At 3 p.m., you'll be able to ask these racers any questions you want about their part. See them up close and personal. And you too can build one of these parts next year and enter. Please come have fun and drive cars with us. The brakes and other safety systems are included from the budget. But your batteries, your motors, your motor controllers, your frame, your tires, your wheels, your steering are all included in that budget. Some of these cars are actually so advanced they're doing electronic fuse modeling to get the most out of their fuse, watching the fuse with an optical sensor to monitor the heat load on the fuse to tell when it's going to blow and when they have to back off the throttle. We are 21 laps in, 9 more laps to go. Gary is still in the lead. Gary the Snail. Gary the Snail pulling in the fastest lap yet today at 16.7 seconds.
Boyfriend who's got a little Miata. So we're going to do the.
Make sure you guys are cheering for your favorite racers as they go by. They can hear you. And they drive better when they can hear you cheer for them.
And we're going to take it to the same.
Especially about the win.
So we've got this little Miata.
That part was longer last year.
Looks like it's had a lot.
Last year was there. It was much more unstable.
We actually want to check it still on the race. Bob. Bob is clear. And it's sort of disappeared off up in the hill. I think it's a few races.
And now it's 5 more laps to go with Gary still in the lead. 5 more laps. It actually appears Gary has lapped most of the field now. He is 1 lap ahead of most of the field. This is a much better race than it was the first one. We had a lot of, we're good. Believe Bumblebee would have lost something. No, it's still attached. It's whatever it is, it's dangling. 3 laps left. 3 laps remaining. Two laps left. This next lap is Gary's final lap.
I appreciate how long it took you man to slow down.
Gary, Raphael, and Ecto. Bring it up to the top 3 spots.
Take him! Yeah!
Final lap.
Down, Jimmy! Yeah, we only do about 30 laps for the sprint. Qualifying by $3 will start to reach the 7.
And Gary takes it. One more time. Our top 3. Gary, Raphael, and Ecto 1. Gary, Raphael, and Ecto 1. Everyone give it up for your stand drivers. Alright, I was catching it. What? Apparently, Jerry was so far ahead of the pack, he was lapping them by multiple laps. But that's what we run till 30 laps. Jerry, Raphael, and Ecto.
You don't have to let Alan talk.